Hi friends, today the topic is Python variables. That Python variable, the subtopic is assign multiple values. Assign multiple values. So, this topic can be classified as three parts. One is many values to multiple variables. Many values to multiple variables. So, the first one is for example 1, subtitle, that is a many values to multiple variables. So, here Python allows you to assign values to multiple variables in one line. How can you write? That is, example is here multiple values are inputs and multiple values are outputs. So, that is why you can write here a comma b comma c is equal to, that you can represent as this. Here you are sending integer values, project, academy, and you can take apple. Okay. So, we have three strings, and that is the project string 1, string 2 academy and apple, and all are can be converted into three variables, that is the a, b, c value. After execution of this instruction, you can check, that is here print of a, print of a. After print of a, you after writing print of a, you will get the result is simply you are getting this type of result is project. Okay. Next, if you write print b, okay, you will get the result is academy. We are sending many multiple variables and many values. Okay. So, left side characters are variables and right side values are values, whatever the values. So, you can send string, number. Next, you can write print c, then you will get the result is apple. This is the example for many values to multiple variables. And note, so what is the important point for this is here, make sure the number of variables matches the number of values, or else you will get an error. Okay. For this is the actual example. For example, you are writing a, b, c, but you are giving only project and academic. If you are not give apple, you will get result. Why? Because left side variable should mapping with right side functions or strings or values. That is the important concept here. So, that is the main important point is note that here make sure the number of variables matches the number of values, or else you will get an error. So, that is a very important point for first example. Next, example 2, subtitle is one value, you have to send only right side value is 1, and you can send the same number in left side numbers and left side characters, that is nothing but multiple variables. So, how can you define this type of expression is here, okay, you can assign the same value to multiple variables in one line. Okay. For example, you are writing a is equal to b is equal to c. Okay. Then you are sending the value is simply you are having that academy. This is the actual instruction for this one value. We have only one value to multiple variables, a, b, c are variables. After execution of this instruction, you are getting, for example, if you write print of a, print of A, result will be academy, result will be academy. Next you can write print of C, sorry, print of B, you will get the result is academy. Next if you write printed C, you will get the result is academy. So, what is the meaning of this? We are sending one value to multiple variables. So, this is the example for one value to multiple values. Next, third one is unpack a collection. Unpack a collection. For this example here, if you have a collection of values in a list, you have collection of, for example, you have that list in terms of, in a list session I will give detailed expression for list. For example, if you take this value is here, that value is project. Okay, next one is academy. Next we are giving that quotation. So, we have 3 strings, for example, if you take, okay, all are represented in one variable, that is apple. Okay. So, in apple we have three values, one is string values are project, academy and quotation. Okay. Then you can write the same one value to multiple variables, like that you can take A comma B comma C is equal to, in the second line, if you write that instruction is apple. In the first instruction all strings are transferred into variable apple. Okay. The same apple having project, academy and quotation, we have 3 values, all are can be converted into A, B, C. Okay. So, size of apple should be mapping with variables, that is a very important. Then you can write here print of A, you will get what you will be get, print of B and print of C. Then for all cases you will be get what is the first print of A value is project, print of B value is academy, print of C is quotation. Okay. So, this is the best example for Python variables assign multiple values. Thank you. Okay, let us implement Python variables assign multiple values. So, simply that we are taking that values are here A comma B comma C. There are 3 variables on the left side. So, we are considering that 3 items. So, simply I am taking that Hyderabad and that is separated by a comma. Then you can take Chennai, and Delhi. In single quotation you are considering this Delhi. So, what is the concept of this meaning is here we have, there are in the left side there are 3 variables A, B, C, on the right side there are 3 items. So, consequently corresponding values are stored based on this, you know, first variable is A, that is why the first item will be stored in the first variable. So, let us check that values are, you know, print of A, then print of B, then print of C, like that you have to check that. So, then you can run the process, then you will get the result in here Hyderabad, Chennai, Delhi. Sometimes you may take the first one is C, next one is here A. What is the concept of this here, that C value is always Delhi. Okay. So, now we are writing that first instruction is print C, then after execution of this line you will get the data is here, the first one is Delhi and second one is B value is Chennai and third one is Hyderabad, like that you can get the expression for this. Okay. So, this is actual one many values to multiple variables. What is the concept of this? We have only one item, that can be stored in various variables. So simply you can considering this here, a is equal to, and then you can write b is equal to, we are considering only one city, that value is Hyderabad. What is the meaning of this? Hyderabad item, this item is stored in a, b, c values, like that you can check this. So simply after writing the instruction for this, a as usual, b and c. Okay, I mean all are having the same instructions. After run the instruction, you will get that Hyderabad, Hyderabad, Hyderabad. That is called as one value to multiple values. So next one is, that is the unpack collections. Unpack collection is nothing but particular variable consisting different items, so that all are can be converting into different individuals. So that is called as, if you have a collection of values in a list or tuple, Python allows you extract the values into variables. So simply I am considering this expression is here simply that a is equal to, or you can take that items is equal to, simply I am writing that in a list concept in a square brackets. So simply I am writing that Hyderabad and comma, and next one is Chennai, then comma, next okay, we are considering this Bangalore, next one is Delhi, next one is Ongole. Like that there are different items here. So what is the concept of this here? That is called as unpack a collection. So simply we are having that 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 values. So simply I am writing that small a comma b comma c comma d comma e is equal to, here you can write that items. So what is the meaning of this here? Item consisting that almost all 5 items. All 5 items can be represented in this case. Then you can write, based on this instruction, we are writing that print of a, next here print of b, next print of c, then you can write print of d, then print of e. So what is the meaning of this? Is called as unpack a collection. Already this all items are stored in the particular variable. You can extract that all functions. Then you can run the program, run main. Then you will get all instruction in this case. Hyderabad, Chennai, Bangalore, Delhi, like that you are getting this. Whatever the data you have, simply you will be get and run the process. Then you will be get as it is shape. Okay, this is the actual process of Python variables assign multiple variables. Okay. Thank you.